Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today video is super special because we are going to explore the top trending baby girl lace dress designs for 2026, perfect for summer. If you love dressing up your little princess in cute, stylish and comfortable outfits, then you are going to love these ideas. So let's get started. First of all, lace dresses are always in trend, but in 2026, they are becoming even more popular because of their soft, elegant and dreamy look. For summer, lightweight lace fabrics are perfect because they keep your baby cool and comfortable. One of the top trends this year is special pastel colors. Soft shades like baby pink, sky blue, mint green and lilac are everywhere. These colors give a fresh and adorable look, especially for daytime outings or family gatherings. Another trending style is layered lace frocks. These designs have multiple soft layers that create a fluffy princess-like look, perfect for birthday parties or special occasions. Now let's talk about floral lace designs, tiny floral patterns on lace fabrics and a huge hit this year. They give a natural and soft summer vibe, making your baby girl even more cute and innocent. Also, sleeves and cap sleeves lace dresses are trending a lot. They are not only stylish but also very comfortable for hot weather. You can pair them with a cute hairband or matching sandals or complete the look. And don't forget about bow and ribbon details. Dresses with small bows on the waist or back add a charming touch and make the outfit look more fancy and picture perfect. So these are the lawn dress designs which you can make at home. Overall, in 2026, baby girl lace dresses are about comfort, softness and cuteness with a soft touch of elegance. I hope you got some amazing outfit ideas of your little one. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you watch the full video for more beautiful dress designs. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.